just want to show you a couple more things here. We have all these TVs, so there would be really a hassle to actually turn every single TV one by one. So we have everything integrated into a smart app. It's called Control 4. That is one button that you just have to press, all TVs on, and actually every single TV come on. Every single TV has a direct TV box hooked up to it. You can change channels with the same app, and when you're done, actually have programmed audio also to come on. And when you're done, when you're actually done and ready to go, that is one power button right here. It turns everything off, including the audio, as easy as possible. All right, we also install alarm systems. This is actually particularly, it's called Kelsa system, very up to date. You can see all the door contacts, everything is closed. You can arm if you stay or if you're away. You can arm and disarm, and you can actually use that on your phone. You can remotely arm it and disarm, and very good system to use.